Did you know that autonomous tractors are transforming agriculture, driving fields 24/7 without human intervention? Welcome to another episode of Robots Helping Humans, Real-World Applications. Today we're diving into the world of autonomous tractors, a groundbreaking technology reshaping the way we farm. Picture vast fields meticulously plowed and harvested without a driver. That's the power of robots in agriculture. Meet Farmer Joe, a tech-savvy farmer from Kansas, facing the age-old conundrum: how to increase crop yields while cutting costs. With labor shortages and unpredictable climate, traditional farming methods were not cutting it. That's where our star of the episode comes in: the autonomous tractor. What makes autonomous tractors exceptional? These high-tech machines operate like self-driving cars. They use GPS and advanced sensors to navigate fields with precision, planting seeds, spraying crops, and harvesting with unmatched efficiency. No more tireless hours behind the wheel for Farmer Joe. Instead, he oversees the entire process from a cozy central command station. Here's a staggering statistic. According to recent studies, autonomous tractors can work up to 40% faster than traditional tractors, increasing productivity significantly. Imagine fields blossoming in record time, feeding the world more efficiently. Now, what about impact? One of the standout benefits of autonomous tractors is their ability to work round the clock, rain or shine. Picture this. Storm clouds loom, but Farmer Joe's crops are safe, tended by his trusty mechanized companions. The drones and tractors collaborate seamlessly, ensuring every inch of the farmland is optimized for production. Besides increased efficiency, the environmental impact is noteworthy. Autonomous vehicles maintain consistent speeds and paths, reducing soil compaction and optimizing resource usage from fuel to fertilizers. Imagine a future where our planet flourishes alongside farming productivity. Let's not forget the incredible economic boon. Farmers like Joe are seeing a tangible return on investment, saving thousands on labor costs annually while boosting outputs. It's a game changer in an industry crucial for our survival. Let's pause for a moment. It's no secret that farming is tough work, filled with unpredictable variables. Autonomous tractors are not just machines, they're partners for farmers, alleviating burdens and allowing farmers like Joe to focus on more strategic, impactful decisions. What's more, the technology is ever evolving. Engineers are now working on integrating real-time data analytics, allowing these robotic helpers to optimize performance based on up-to-the-minute information about soil health and weather conditions. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the field of agricultural robotics. The future of farming looks bright, with autonomous tractors leading the charge, providing solutions for both our growing population and environmental preservation challenges. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.